as in my point of view, as I have a personal experience of driving, so as just girls drive better than boys, as girls take care of each and every safety rule. But if we talk about boys now, so I have saw a lots of boy like moving from that other side, overtaking someone who still the car is coming in front of us and still they are overtaking it. So like this type of rule, like I think that girls follow each and every rule, but boys do not follow. As in my personal experience, as I saw.
Some boys, every boy is careful about driving. If I am riding bike, so I first I should know na how to drive and where I have to brake. Then I will drive. Sometimes boys are very careful in front of girls.
Sometimes boys are overconfident in driving that we know everything, we can drive, and they think that girls are not confident. So I think so girls are better than boys sometimes. Girls are sometimes better. They drive carefully, that they know that we are not that much pro in riding a scooty or any vehicle, so they drive carefully and slowly. But sometimes boys go overconfident that we are pro, we can drive. So it is not that everyone, if go professionally, they can drive.
According to me, girls are better than boys because she drives always carefully with safety, but boys are not a good driver because he always fast drive. But I think some boys and some girls are not drive with safety because उन्हें जल्दी होती है.
They do hurry. They hurry up.
They do hurry up, but I think some boys and some girls, but so many boys and so many girls are good driver.
As far as I think, boys are better than girls because boys are along every situations, and we can drive and ride bike. We can drive and ride a bike, car, and every vehicles. Boys know which types of features in bike, but girl don't know which types of feature in bike. Vehicle and scooty break down everywhere. So girls thinks what to do or what not to do. So I think boys brilliant in how to ride bike. That's why.
But many boys drives by drinking alcohol, so they are not good. This is not good.
As well as I know that many of the boys are overconfident and they ride bikes in fast and they do stunts all that. By that they have an accident, and most of the accident done by the boys. And why you can also see, and in other places you can also see that most of the people don't wear the helmets. By that, and I want to see that face the boys, so they also don't wear the helmets.
Seen yesterday that one girl press a horn in place of brake, and she break down a scooty and dhara.
That's not the topic. Yesterday I went to my PTM. I saw bhaiya riding a bike with doing stunts, and he fell off. Yes, always not girls fell off. Boys also fell from vehicles. That is not the topic.
Nowadays, girls is riding bike and flying aeroplane, helicopters. So, girls is better than the boys.
Sometimes boys are also pilot, but nowadays some girls is pilot.
lot of boys are driving, know how many skills to drive car and bike.
Boys also, some boys.
So also some girls.
So some boys and some girls are better and some boys and some girls are not better.
But I think boys are better in car driving and bike riding. As though some girls are also carry household works and they go to office, so they also have a time management. But boys, you can't see that. The boys wake up, go to office, come to office, and do another work. But girls hold, the girls who have married, they hold their household works. Or some girls are going to office, they also hold their office work. And many of the girls who are the teachers, they have a lots of work. Boys can wake up to 12 wake up to 9 o'clock and at a office time. But girls are who are married, who want to arrange their household work, they get up at a 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock. And those girls are the teachers, they sleep up at the 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Why? Because they have many of the things. Many of the boys are also doing many works they also have the business and many things that boys are also have. So it is not that the boys are wake up at 12 o'clock. The boys are also get up at 10 o'clock and much time, and they also have many works like the girl the married girl that have many works. Thank you. Girls sing, boys go to the office. So boys also wake up in 6 o'clock.
Many of the girls stop the scooty with the foot, but many of the boys can stop the scooty with brakes. And before some time I
see एक बार try करना क्यों उसके बाद क्यों बिल्कुल करें क्योंकि हम नहीं करते I see you give answer in I see girls.
The point is that girls are better driver. The point is that girls are better driver. Yeah, boys are better driver. So I think girls are better driving. because boys are break rules, but girls are not break rules. So boys is very no sir, girls are better.
Again, she is saying we are not saying to her.
Because boys is
We are not saying one thing about the voice. She is saying all this. We are not saying anything to her. She is accepting the things there. What has to get? You say answer my question.
sir गलती से.
You are.
But some girls also break the traffic rules.
But some boys also